Let's explore. Open the book. Words that start with the letters A and B. Words and letters. Tap on the page for letter sound activities. Above. In above. A says above. Next, find R. Artist. Artist. In artist. A-R says R. Artist. That's it. Next, find alligator. Alligator. In alligator. The first A says alligator. Good job. Next, find avocado. Avocado. In avocado. A says avocado. You got it. Next, find antennae. Antennae. In antennae. The first A says antennae. Good job. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Baker. In baker. B says baker. Next, find bank. Bank. In bank. B says bank. Well done. Next, find box. Box. In box. B says box. You got it. Tap on the page if you want to play bridge. In bridge. B R says bridge. Next, find broom. Broom. In broom. B R says broom. Correct. Next, find behind. Behind. In behind. B says behind. You got it. Next, find butterfly. Butterfly. In butterfly. B says butterfly. Well done. Tap on the page. Boots. In boots. B says boots. Next, find beak. Beak. In beak. B says beak. Good job. Next, find binoculars. Binoculars. In binoculars. B says binoculars. That's it. Next, find battery. Battery. In battery. B says battery. Great work. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Words that start with the letters C, D, and E. Circle. In circle. The first C says circle. Next, find calendar. Calendar. In calendar. C says calendar. That's it. Next, find comb. Not quite. Find comb. Comb. In comb. C says comb. Correct. Next, find ceiling. Ceiling. In ceiling. C says ceiling. Great work. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Chin. In chin. C-H says chin. Next, find castle. Castle. In castle. C says castle. Well done. Next, find calm. Calm. In calm. C says calm. Good job. Next, find caterpillar. Caterpillar. In caterpillar. C says caterpillar. You got it. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Desk. In desk. D says desk. Next, find disappointed. disappointed. In, disappointed. D says disappointed. That's it. Next, find dig. Dig. In, dig. D says dig. Good job. Next, find escalator. Escalator. In, escalator. E says escalator. Great work. Next, find dolphin. Dolphin. In, dolphin. D says dolphin. You got it. Next, find doctor. Doctor. In, doctor. D says doctor. Well done. Next, find elevator. Elevator. In, elevator. The first E says elevator. Good job. Next, find excited. Excited. In, excited. E says excited. That's it. Next, find dancer. Dancer. In, dancer. D says dancer. You got it. Next, find earth. Earth. In, earth. E-A-R says earth. Good job. Next, find elbow. Elbow. In, elbow. E says elbow. Correct. Next, find dentist. Dentist. In, dentist. D says dentist. Well done. Next, find empty. Empty. In, empty. E says empty. Great work. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Words that start with the letters F, G, H, I, and J. Fan. In, fan. F says fan. Next, find gloves. Gloves. In, gloves. G, L says gloves. That's it. Next, find fence. Fence. In, fence. F says fence. Great work. Next, find gate. Gate. In, gate. G says gate. Correct. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Island. In, island. I says island. Next, find helmet. Helmet. In, helmet. H says helmet. Good job. Next, find hammer. Hammer. In, hammer. H says hammer. Well done. Next, find horse. Horse. In, horse. H says horse. You got it. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Jam. In, jam. J says jam. Next, find hotel. Hotel. In, hotel. H says hotel. Great work. Next, find hospital. Not quite. Find hospital. In, hospital. H says hospital. You got it. Next, find joyful. Joyful. In, joyful. J says joyful. That's it. Next, find jug. Jug. In, in jug. J says jug. Good job. Next, find I, ice. Ice, in ice. I says I, ice. Well done. Next, find hexagon. Hexagon, in hexagon. H says hexagon. Correct. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Words that start with the letters K, L, M, and N. Kangaroo, in kangaroo. K says kangaroo. Next, find knock. Knock, in knock. The first K, N says knock. You got it. Next, find lamp. That's not it. Find lamp. Lamp, in lamp. L says lamp. That's it. Next, find key. Key, in key. K says key. Good job. Next, find mirror. Mirror, in mirror. M says mirror. Correct. Next, find napkin. Napkin, in napkin. N says napkin. You got it. Next, find notebook. Notebook, in notebook. N says notebook. Well done. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Mug, in mug. M says mug. Next, find museum. Museum, in museum. M says museum. Good job. Next, find necklace. Necklace, in necklace. N says necklace. That's it. Next, find neck. Neck, in neck. N says neck. Great work. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Words that start with the letters O, P, Q, and R. Oval, in oval. O says O, oval. Next, find pour. Pour, in pour. P says pour. That's it. Next, find pentagon. Pentagon, in pentagon. P says pentagon. Great work. Next, find octagon. Octagon, in octagon. O says octagon. You got it. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Photograph, in photograph. P, H says photograph. Next, find ocean. Ocean, in ocean. O says ocean. Good job. Next, find pillow. Pillow, in pillow. P says pillow. Correct. Next, find pilot. Pilot, in pilot. P says pilot. Well done. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Quilt, in quilt. Q, U says quilt. Next, find rocket. it. Next, find refrigerator. Refrigerator. In refrigerator. R says refrigerator. Great work. Next, find race. Race. In race. R says race. Correct. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Queen. In queen. Q. U says queen. Next, find quilt. Quilt. In quilt. Q. U says quilt. Good job. Next, find rake. Rake. In rake. R says rake. Well done. Next, find restaurant. Restaurant. In restaurant. R says restaurant. You got it. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Words that start with the letters S, T, and U. Sandwich. In sandwich. S says sandwich. Next, find snake. Snake. In snake. S. N says snake. You got it. Next, find square. Square. In square. S says square. That's it. Next, find shampoo. Shampoo. In shampoo. S. H says shampoo. Good job. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Sunglasses. In sunglasses. The first S says sunglasses. Next, find seeds. Seeds. In seeds. The first S says seeds. Correct. Next, find sandwich. Sandwich. In sandwich. S says sandwich. Well done. Next, find soil. Soil. In soil. S says soil. Great work. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Table. In table. T says table. That's it. Next, find under. Under. In under. U says under. Great work. Next, find television. Television. In television. T says television. You got it. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Umbrella. In umbrella. U says umbrella. Next, find thermometer. Thermometer. In thermometer. The first T, H says thermometer. Good job. Next, find underwear. Underwear. In underwear. U says underwear. Correct. Next, find toaster. Toaster. In toaster. T says toaster. Well done. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Words that start with the letters V, W, X, Y, and Z. Vase. In vase. V says vase. Next, find wings. Wings. in wings. W says wings. Correct. Next, find wall. Not quite. Find wall. Wall. In wall. W says wall. You got it. Next, find whistle. Whistle. In whistle. W. H says whistle. Well done. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Right. In right. W. R says right. Next, find vest. Vest. In vest. V says vest. Good job. Next, find watch. Watch. In watch. W says watch. Great work. Tap on the page if you want to play again. X-ray. X-ray begins with the letter X. Next, find yell. Yell. In yell. Y says yell. You got it. Next, find zigzag. Zigzag. In zigzag. Z says zigzag. That's it. Next, find zoo. Zoo. In zoo. Z says zoo. Good job. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Zebra. In zebra. Z says zebra. Next, find zero. Zero. In zero. Z says zero. Correct. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Xylophone. In xylophone. X says xylophone. Next, find zoom. Zoom. In zoom. Z says zoom. That's it. Next, find zinc. Zinc. In zinc. Z says zinc. Great work. Next, find zoo. Zoo. In zoo. Z says zoo. You got it. Tap on the page if you want to play again. Yoga. In yoga. Y says yoga. Next, find yo-yo. Yo-yo. In yo-yo. Y says yo-yo. Good job. Next, find yoke. Yoke. In yoke. Y says yoke. Correct. Tap on the page if you want to play again.